Amazing benefits of drinking celery juice daily. Hello viewers! Did you know that celery is made of 95% water? Over the years, celery juice has become a popular beverage. It is all over the media and everyone is talking about it. But then, have you ever thought of the health benefits of this trendy diet? Wondering what will happen to your body if you drink celery juice every day? Keep watching to find out. In this video, Silva Guide will be sharing with you 5 amazing benefits of drinking celery juice daily. Can it decrease your blood pressure? Wait, drinking celery juice can help reduce inflammation? We will be talking about all that and more. But first, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for all your health needs. Number 1. Celery juice aids digestion. Having problems digesting your food? Celery juice is that super drink that can save your day and get your digestive system back on track. When the acid level in the stomach is low, the body finds it difficult to digest food, making you feel weak and lethargic. This super drink raises the stomach acid level, which is necessary for proper food digestion. It increases the depleted level of gastric mucus that is needed in the stomach lining, and this makes it efficient in the prevention and treatment of constipation, bloating, and puffiness. Number 2. It decreases blood pressure. High blood pressure is becoming a serious health issue for the modern world. It is estimated that about 1.13 billion people worldwide have hypertension. Drinking celery juice is one way to lower your blood pressure, so you won't count among the growing population of people with hypertension. Studies have shown that celery juice helps lower the blood pressure by relaxing the smooth muscles, allowing blood vessels to expand and contract, and improving the flow of minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Make it a habit to drink celery juice, your health will thank you a million times over. Number 3. Celery juice reduces inflammation. Drinking a glass of celery juice every day can do wonders when it comes to decreasing inflammation. According to the American Chemical Society, celery has unique anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can play a significant role in the development of 4 major degenerative diseases, which include cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and artery diseases. So, inflammation in any part of the body shouldn't be ignored. It could be a sign of an underlying medical condition. In fact, celery juice starves the unproductive bacteria and virus that causes inflammation in the body. Number 4. Celery juice fights infections. Celery juice is one of the healthiest drinks out there. Due to the abundance of vitamin A and C, as well as the folic acid in it, drinking this super beverage fortifies your immune system. Also, the white blood cells can absorb the sodium in celery juice as both an offensive and defensive mechanism against infections. And that's not all. This healthy beverage is loaded with flavonoids and polyacetylens. These compounds kill cancer cells while boosting your body's immunity. Number 5. It provides your body with energy. Looking for a natural beverage with low calorie to give you an energy boost? Trust me, drinking a tall glass of celery juice before you leave your house is the best way to kickstart your day full of energy. Replacing your morning coffee with this energy bank, celery juice will keep your energy level on track and make you more productive. Do you enjoy celery drink? Let us know in the comment section. We would be glad to hear from you. Enjoy the video? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one.